Today, on the Super Brick Building channel, we're going to make this Lego airplane using this Lego Creator set, and this is video 3 out of 3, so let's get started. First, we're going to take this 2x4 gray flat piece, and then take this yellow 2x3 piece, click it on top of there, then I'm going to take a 2x2 black piece and put it right here. Then take this boat shaped piece, click it on here like this. Then take this 2x4 piece with holes in it, click it right here. Then take whatever this piece is, click it right here to form a diamond shape. Then we're going to take this piece that looks like stairs, we're going to put it right here. Then take this green piece, put it right here. It should kind of look like this. Next, we're going to take this piece with holes in it and put it right here. Then take this piece with only one stud on top and put it right here. Then we're going to take two of these 1x1 pieces and put it right here, and then right here. Then we're going to take two of these slanted pieces and put it right here, right here, and then right here. Then we're going to take this little black piece, put it right here, and then this slanted piece, it's green, put it right here. Kind of look like this. Next, we're going to work on the tail. So I'm just going to slide this back so you can focus on the tail. So to do that, we're going to take this big long yellow piece, and then take this little piece, this tile piece, 1x3, put it right here. Then take this little piece, whatever it is, click it right here. Then take this 2x3 yellow piece, put it right here, followed by a 2x1 piece with one stud on top, and then this clear piece. And then take this, click it on, and it should kind of look like this. Oops, not supposed to fall off. Next, we're going to take this piece, kind of looks like a tag. We're going to put it right here so it will stabilize the tail. Then we're going to take these two pieces of studs on the side, put it right here and right here, and then take a grill piece, put it right here and right here to kind of look like engines. Now we're going to make the wings of our airplane. And we're going to take this 1x10 piece, and then take this 1x1 piece, put it right here. Then a 1x4 piece, put it right here, followed by this slanted piece. Our wing should look like this. And then take this green piece and put it right here. Now we're gonna stick it on our aircraft. Put it right here, and I already have the other wing finished. Put it right here. Airplane should kind of look like this. Next, we're gonna take this 2x3 yellow piece, put it right here. Then take this yellow curved piece and put it right here to stabilize our wing. And another one right here to stabilize the other wing. Our aircraft kind of look like this. Next, we're going to take two of these little green pieces, put one right here and the other right here to make the front of our airplane. Then we're going to take two of these yellow curved pieces, put one right here and the other right here. Then we're going to take this windshield piece, just click it on right here, and click it on, and then these two curved pieces, kind of big, put them right here, and right here, the other right here. And there we have it, our finished Lego Creator airplane. Thanks for watching Super Brick Building, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. and leave a comment below. I would love to see what you want me to make next. And if you haven't done this, watch my other 2 videos on how to make a LEGO Creator helicopter and a LEGO Creator hovercraft. Before you go, if you want your airplane to have something so it can land, just take some wheels and put them right here and the others right here. So now your airplane, when it's flying, it's going to land and land smoothly. Or when it's taking off, you can actually have your airplane roll and take off. Also, if you want to have a tail dragger airplane, just take this off and this off, move this all the way to the front of your airplane, and move this to the back of your airplane where there's the tail. Just click it on like this. So now your airplane can take off and land like this. Thanks again for watching Super Brick Building.